Setting up emergency contacts on your iPhone 16 helps ensure quick access to your trusted contacts and medical information during emergencies. Here's how it's done. To begin, go to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Emergency SOS. To set up emergency contacts, tap on the option to set up emergency contact in Health. You will then be routed to the Health Apps menu where you can add your medical details. To continue, find the option to create medical ID and then tap on it. In the succeeding window, fill up all necessary information such as your name, birth date, medical condition, allergies, and other notes. You can also add your photo if you want. For emergency contacts, tap the option to add emergency contact. Select a contact from your list and then specify their relationship to you. If necessary, you can add more emergency contacts. Just repeat the same steps to select phone numbers for each contact. Once you're finished adding all necessary details, tap Done. Your emergency contacts are now added and all set. You can return to the emergency SOS settings to verify your contacts are listed. Emergency contacts on an iPhone allow designated individuals to be contacted in case of an emergency, providing crucial support and assistance when you need it most. So if you haven't already, be sure to add at least one to your new iPhone. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.